Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you this 1969 Dodge Dart Hemi. I thank you for all views, for all likes and comments, and please don't forget to leave a like or comment and to share my video. So let's unbox it. Once I've unboxed the car, I've also unclipped the hood so we can take it off and we can take a better look. That's what I call an awesome Hemi. That's a beautiful engine. We can see all cables and pipes and hoses, components that are part of this very nice Hemi engine. We can also see the posts. The engine compartment itself is very well made by Highway 61. That front grille, very well made. Blinkers. Since this car has got the original sheet metal body, it ain't got in its original version the fiberglass fenders and doors. It's all sheet metal, just like a regular Dart. Let's take a look at the interior. It's a black interior. As we can see, there's a carpet. There's no back seat, as this car is meant for drag racing. Front seats with seat belts, automatic transmission. It's a very nice dashboard, black headliner, black sun visors, reflector panels. That's typical from the other Darts we've seen before, with the difference of the back seat. Chrysler pinstripe, Hemi stripe, or bumblebee stripe, sometimes we call it. But this one has no markings, no swinger, no GT Sport, just like the other ones. Batteries in the trunk for better weight distribution. The trunk is basically the same as any other Dart. Stamps and stickers, enforcements and hinges. Removable drive shaft, just like any other Highway 61 cars. Gas mufflers that come all the way to the rear axle, just like in the 68 Dart I've shown before. Slick tires, and the bottom is all black. There's no primer and body colors. Front and rear working suspensions. This is a very nice car. I'd like to thank you for watching the video, for your likes and comments, and for sharing it. Please don't forget to share it, to leave a like in the comments below, and to subscribe my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.